Interesting. That was a comment from 2013, but I think we see, and as we walk around the show, we continue to see that fiber is what people believe in and where they're going to do their investments to really harden their networks, reduce cost, and be able to provide the type of bandwidth required. You know, in that time frame in 2013, we really weren't talking much about gig services or 2 gig services, but that's common today, and people realize that as we move to a cloud type structure, we're going to need to have good quality of service, and we're going to need to have a pretty big pipe to be able to move that traffic back and forth. You know, when the service provider is trying to go into a multi-tenant unit, one of the things they face are the challenges associated with building access, how many floors, how they're going to run things. And it seems the best approach is to provide them multiple solutions. We're introducing a couple of new products at the show this year. They're behind me here. Ducting has become important, so as we provide fiber optic locations or boxes for either splicing, demarcs, or passives, a lot of times that's what's approaching the boxes. So we've come up with some solutions to trim those out, make them look really nice for them, give them the protection, security. But it's really a challenge, I think, in these environments. They need different kinds of fibers, different sorts of boxes. Sometimes they have to be outside, sometimes indoors, and we're working to provide solutions that give them the mix that they need. NG-PON 2, it's standards are important, right? In order for us to get the economy of scale and for people to have a common platform to deploy, you got to have standards. So I think that's going to be a critical part. We already see some of our customers embracing the standard, trying to figure out what works best for them. I like NG-PON 2 in that it's bringing new capabilities, but it's taking care of some of the legacy plant that's out there and some of the wavelength management that has to occur so that you can run into the same plant on top of previous deployed things like GPON and provide the enhanced service that they're looking for tomorrow. So those all play to our key strengths, which are wavelength management and being able to push passives deeper in the field.